Hi everybody, welcome back to Flames Pyro Art for Beginners. We were looking at the first of our 3 skulls. On the first couple of episodes I was starting to try and find the shape and tonal values of the skull. It took me a little longer than what I could have showed on camera. So following now is the time lapse of getting to the stage that we're at, and in the next lesson we'll start looking at more of the face and the front of it. So I just wanted to spend a good couple of hours just concentrating on trying to create the shape of the skull that I was a bit happier with. So I'll switch over to the time lapse and you can see the work that went on to try and capture the shape. It's going to need some more darkening up yet, but we're slowly inching away there and trying to push the skull further deeper back and bring the face more forward. It takes time, but we are slowly getting somewhere. So this will be a quick video, and hope you enjoy the watch and you take something away from it. I'll slow the speed down of the time lapse so you can see a little bit more of what I was actually doing while I was trying to find all the shapes and shadings. I said I don't think it's quite finished, but it's much improved than what it was before. Okay, so have fun watching and I shall speak to you all again soon. Take care for now. Bye guys.